found a really good steering wheel lock that you can't get here in North America. It has a key design feature that makes it better than a lot of the cheap steering wheel locks that you can find online nowadays. This is the RASLOK EL6580 steering wheel lock. Let's take a look at what this steering wheel lock is all about and what makes it really good. Fracking Creations, showing you the good stuff. Steering wheel protection. Most of the steering wheel locks out there do not properly protect the steering wheel. This allows them to be removed simply by cutting the steering wheel, then pulling the steering wheel lock off. To use the steering wheel lock properly, you should lock around the spokes as I show in our How to Use Steering Wheel Locks video. Also, a good steering wheel lock will clamp around the steering wheel like what the Stop Lock Pro does. The RASLOK, however, takes things to the next level by protecting the steering wheel from all sides at the location it clamps on. The additional protection extends beyond the clamping mechanism, so if someone were to cut the steering wheel around the lock, they would still not be able to remove the steering wheel lock easily. Enough of the steering wheel lock would remain around the spoke to make removal harder. Note that because of the way it works, it only fits steering wheels that have a spoke size between 65 to 80 millimeters. Other things like paddle shifters or oversized spokes could prevent it from working with all steering wheels, so you would have to check fitment with RASLOK. Security features. The RASLOK has a secure 12-pin lock core that has reinforced steel plates to protect it from being drilled out easily. However, how resistant this lock core is to lockpicking will be something that will need to be tested. You do get 3 keys, but there is no mention of where to get replacement keys in the event you lose them. The box does mention to please be very careful not to lose your keys, so I'm guessing you will be out of luck if you do lose them. The body itself is made from hardened steel, which will make it take longer to saw apart. It has a nice genuine leather cover that is soft enough to protect your vehicle from scratches when using it. This tail shield functions as a horn trigger if someone were to tamper with a lock when trying to remove it without unlocking it. Though note that some vehicles turn the horn off when the vehicle is turned off. Ease of use. The entire unit is very solid but small and lightweight enough to easily lift, install, and remove. The tail shield can be folded into the lock for storage. It is also adjustable, so the fit can be customized to different steering wheels so that it triggers the horn properly. As with any security product, such as the locks on your front door, nothing is 100% secure. The best thing to do is to layer your security. This RASLOK steering wheel lock can add another layer of security to your vehicle. All in all, I believe this to be a secure steering wheel lock that is easy to use and store in the vehicle. It's designed well and is more secure than a lot of the steering wheel locks you can find online. The main negative of this steering wheel lock is that you cannot get it in North America because they do not sell it here or ship it here. I had to get a relative to order it and personally ship it to me. In the end, the shipping costs as much as the steering lock itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and share the video and comment to let us know what you think. Check back for more good stuff to come.